Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix apps not working issue on iPhone. If your apps are not working properly on your iOS devices, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First of all you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, go back, go to your general, tap on shutdown. Shut on your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Update may include bug fixes and improvement. So you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After if updating doesn't work, then you have to do is also check app update. Ensure that your apps are updated to their latest version. Open the App Store, put your account, put your profile, and from here you can see which app needs an update, or you can simply update all apps to fix the issue. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check storage space. You have to go to your general, go to iPhone storage, and check if which app is consuming a lot of storage. Insufficient storage space can cause apps to malfunction. You can go here and to check your you can go here and check your available storage. If it's low, consider deleting unnecessary files or apps. After this, then you have to do is force quiet the app, close the problematic app and reopen it. To do this, you have to simply open the app, then simply close it from here and then try opening it. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check network connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection, whether through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Some apps require a network connections to function properly. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings. You can try setting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default. To do this, you have to open your settings, go back, open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.